How to use data validation in Google Sheet. Want to control what users can see in your spreadsheet? Data validation keeps your sheet clean and accurate by setting specific rules that data input. Let's make your Google Sheet smart and error free. Select the cell you want to control, and then over there you can see the top three dot icon at the top. Simply tap on it. There you can see data validation and tap on it, and there you can see show drop shadow in menu cell, show validation help. Now you can see you can edit it, so tap on edit, enter the value from the list on items, enter the item or a cell name, or you can add the range. Like that you can easily remove easily data validate. Then tap on save. After that on save. After doing so, simply tap on save. You can show custom error message to guide users when they enter incorrect data.